Just thought I'd take you on a tour of the garden on a windy day. This plant here is going to be an aster. It's all budded up. Here's one of the flowers is open. Over here, I'm using frost cloth as a shade cloth. It works great to shade things off. If it's real sunny, I'll lay that over. Either way, that's on the west side of that rhododendron. I just planted my rhododendrons a little early just because I'm impatient. This dogwood is going to get 20 feet wide and will shade this whole area, but right now they're getting way too much sun. This is Lucy. She's staying with me and Peaches for just a few more days. This rose is still going for it. And a deadhead. This is a cool combination. I love this honeysuckle and this rose. They just keep on keeping on. How about these daylilies? Gorgeous. I love these spider daylilies. Very cool. There's the generous gardener. Her shoots just get taller and taller. Just beautiful. We'll come around the back side of the garden behind the shed. Back to the shade garden. Oh, and I forgot to show you the zinnias that are coming up. Oh, Lucy. This is a bush clover. This is a Gibraltar bush clover. In about, I don't know, a few weeks or a month, it will be blooming orchid-shaped purple flowers that are beautiful. The view from the back. Anyway, here's my zinnias. This is the agave mix from Johnny's Seeds. So far, I'm liking it. We'll see what it has to offer. This is my other Viburnum Mauricii. It's getting berries on it as well. But it didn't have as many flowers this spring as the other one. I'm definitely looking forward in a few years when it's more mature, both of them flowering all the way out to the ends of their branches. And then they'll get those berries all the way out. I love windy days. If it's really windy, it's too windy for mosquitoes to bite. Love it. I had to cut back all this lamb's ear because it had spots on it and it didn't look very healthy, but it's already coming back, looking great. And this is that Friesland salvia. I cut it back in the spring and it just keeps on going. It'll do this all season. It's absolutely beautiful. That Rose of Sharon, so glorious.